So this will be another video from the blizzard here today. I've got a makeshift little snow holder for my cam. We're gonna see if that'll work so you can witness me snow blowing live at 8 a.m. Let's give it a shot, huh, brother? Metal Mike and Antiques, junk, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Let's see, I don't think we're gonna get that shot. We have to angle it in a little bit more. There we go. You know, I gotta be on camera for you folks. Now we're gonna kick this snow this way with this pitiful handheld Toro. Give it a shot. Wet, heavy snow. How about that? Not bad. I can't even remember where I got that thing. It's a nice little Toro though. I got some tennis elbow right now, so I got a ligament that's detached from my forearm. I got a nice band on it, but oh, my arm is killing me right now. Wah! All right, Metal Mike, Junk and Antiques. Certainly ain't picking, certainly ain't finding no antiques, just shoveling snow on a Sunday morning. Now the next mission, get up on the roof. That's what we have to do. You got to get up there. I'm going to do the edging all the way around, just simply so that if it freezes up later, that won't ice up and the gutters won't fill, and then you get an ice dam, and then the snow can't melt off properly through your gutters, and that's when you get leaks into the roof. So what we'll do is we'll get up there. We'll take about a foot all the way back from the edge and push it off. So basically there's just a clear runway right there. Next day the sun comes out, it'll all melt, run off real nice. And it saves you from getting a leaky, ruined attic as well. Just it doesn't wreck your roof. Taking care of business. I don't know what music this is, so don't mind it. It's just on Sirius Satellite Boneyard. Peace out, everyone. Have a good day.